Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the new latest ILC RGB LED color changing light bulb, 40 watts equivalent, 450 looms, 2700K warm white color, 5 watts, E26 screw base, RGBW floodlight bulb, 12 different color of your choice, timing, infrared remote control. So this one is the package of 4. They also have a package of 8. So it features 12 fixed colors, 2 modes, stroke mode and smooth mode. And there's also an energy saving mode. You could also dim up or dim down. So these are great for party, sports, sleep, or celebrations. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And if there's a coupon box, make sure you click on it before you check out. And I'd like to give a shout out to Lily from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. So right here is the product descriptions. And it says 2-in-1. The product is made in China. It's a 2 years warranty. Wow, cool. Come with the 2 remotes. There's this plastic tab. You need to pull it out so the remote could work properly. To disengage the tab for the battery. Now it's working. So this button is for energy saving mode, and then off, on, and then this is the flash mode and smooth mode. There's a timer setting right here, time, daily cycle mode, and then this is 1 off timing. And this is the dimmer setting, up or down. And you can select the color. Press any of those colors. It's a fixed preset color button until the color change. And this is the different light mode. So you don't need to worry about breaking it. So let's go ahead and test this out, shall we? Alright, so I changed the light bulb already. This one's a 2700 color temperature. And this one, you just make it dim in the middle button right here. So yeah, it's pretty dim. And to turn the brightness, you press this one, or you could adjust this one. So there are 3 brightness settings: 1, 2, 3. And you got the C right here, color changing. And then I'm going to press S right here for soothing. You just gradually change the color in the transition. And the other one just red, green, blue, and all the other colors right here. And you have the timer right here. And that's it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description so you can check out this item out. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.